Good morning, YouTube. I got an easy start update. I have to replace a condenser fan motor. That's not a big deal. It's kind of heavy and I have to bring it up on the roof myself. I don't have a blade, but I think I'm gonna be fine. I hope. I'm gonna climb up on the roof and bring this motor up and replace it. It's an old train. Yeah, it's an old train up on the roof, and the condenser fan motor is pretty big. So we're gonna rope it up, or probably I'm gonna put it in my shoulder and climb up on the roof. Alright guys, see you there. My ladder is an old ladder, and the fiberglass is getting a problem. I get it all over my hands and arms. Alright, this is the motor we had to replace. Still smell, you know. The original call, it was strong burning smell in the building. So the fire department came and they shut down this unit, and it still smell, you know. And the motor was the cause for the smell. So what we're gonna do now is just try to get this back online as fast as we can. It's gonna be a hot day today, and they're gonna need this system running. So, all right, let's do it. Now we're gonna get the pulley on place. We're gonna align all the other ones to make sure that everything is straight. We're gonna fire it up and see what happens. Alright, we're gonna bolt it in. Tight those bolts, get the pulley in place, and then we're gonna align, you know, get an alignment, and we're gonna fire it up. Alright, we're gonna try to straight. I'll get everything straight. That's probably what I tried to mean. The pulleys. We're gonna have a little problem over here. Alright, so previously I tried to get those bolts in the front hole. See it? That hole. But for some reason, when I push the motor all the way down, you know, they got these little lips in the back. See? It doesn't go any further and my holes don't line up. So I'm gonna take them out, the two bolts, I'm gonna take them out and try again. Probably that it will pull the motor further down and it may probably line my my motor pulley with the blower pulley. These two are lined up, but this one is the problem, so it needs to be pushed more. So let me see if I can do that. Okay, the motor is not going deep enough, so the plan it will be, this is the front, this is the back. I'm gonna cut these suckers out, this way the motor can go deeper, you know. So I'm gonna cut them, and probably that is gonna let me have enough room to line these two holes over there. We gotta do what we gotta do, right? Alright. And of course everything is wired, so, and of course you don't want to touch these guys. No, you don't. I should have plenty of room now, probably like a ½ inch. I don't need that much, but it's enough for me to go deep enough. So let's see what happens now. Big boys heavy. All right, that looks better. Nope, it's not going. Okay, I need to move to the next channel, see if that can make it, which it will be in the back. Do the other side because it's the most difficult one. Alright, now the motor can go deep enough, that's a good thing. But believe it or not, these two holes don't line this. the distance in between these two is shorter than what I got on the base. So, god damn it, this is never ending, man. So now I'm gonna try to make this hole bigger and this hole a little bigger, so at least I got some play and I can probably get my 2 bolts in place. So back to the truck again. Five and a half. 5 5/8. You can see it. Problem is just I cannot make the hole too big, you know. I got a certain margin I can go. I cannot go too much. All right, I hope that is enough. All right, back to the lab. Oh. Okay. Alright, let's see now. There we go. That's what we need. There we go. See it? Alright, now I'm happy. Let's get everything back together because I still have to go to freaking Woodstock and it's an hour and 30 minutes away from here. And I got a really big problem over there waiting for me. Goddamn motor, man. Oh. All right. This whole compartment smells like smoke, so I'm gonna talk to the manager downstairs and tell him, you know, don't get scared now because you're gonna smell it a little stronger because the unit is gonna be running. Everything is up and running. Amperage on the motor is 5 amps, so she's good. Second compressor came on now. She's pulling some heat. All right, so we're finished over here. I gotta go to Woodstock now. I thought this is gonna take me not too much time, but it ended up in taking me good hours, you know, and that time now I lost it. And I need it for Woodstock. And of course it's Friday, so let me get my stuff out of here and I'm gonna start driving.